Hello friends, I am Ali. Now back again with a new video. Today in this video I am going to teach you about the making or generating of factorial of a number by using for loop in Python. In my previous video I have already given you the concept of for loop and also told you how to generate a table using for loop. But today it is very important to tell you because many of the beginners want to know how to generate the factorial using the for loop. So without wasting any time, I am going towards my PyCharm, which is our IDE for Python. Here I have already imported a math library since I am going to do some mathematical work. Firstly, I want to tell you there is a default built-in function in Python by which you can generate the factorial, but you should have the clear concept how to generate a factorial through a for loop. Now I want to tell you how it works. I am first of all taking a input from the user, integer input, enter the number. Now then I am going to store a value of 1 in our variable fact. Then I am going to start my for loop for I in range. You know how to write a for loop. I in range 1 to n plus 1. Why I have written n plus 1 you can know if you have watched my previous videos, because now it will stop on n if I have told it to stop on n plus 1. Now under this for loop I will write our again the fact variable which I have taken fact equal to fact multiply by I, which is our variable in the for loop, and then I will write print fact out of for loop because I want to generate the end result what we have got the factorial of a number. Print, here I have write fact. Now I am going to run this code in front of you, running the scratch file. It is asking me the number. For example, I am giving it the number 4. Now it has generated the factorial which is 24, which is correct. So this was the basic method of generating a factorial. But what if you want to generate a factorial from number 1 to 10 by using the for loop? Now I will tell you how can you do that. You can put this print under the for loop. Then I am going to run this code again, but I want to first of all change this print statement, which is I will write for some decoration factorial of I comma then again factorial, but I want to have some space between them, delta t backslash t. Here I also want to take backslash t for space between them, backslash t. Now again I will give comma. Now I am going to run this code. You will see how, I have not given a comma here. Now I am going to run this code, scratch 177. It is asking me number, I am giving it 10. So here you have seen you have generated the factorial of the numbers 1 to 10 in this method. This was my basic concept today which I wanted to give you, how to generate a factorial of a single number and also of the number 1 to 10. But this was the coding. I want to show you the basic concept behind the for loop. For this I have already opened my paint, so I will give you the basic procedure behind that. For example, I have to generate a factorial of 5. So how will it work? I will show you how it works. First of all, if I give the input 6, then for I in range will be equal to starting from 1 to 6 and it will stop till 5. It means I want to generate the factorial of 5. So first of all, since I have stored the value of 1 in fact, our fact line will be like this: 1 is equal to 1 multiply by I. Hope you will understand that since it is not very easy to do some written work on paint. Now I have given the for loop 1 to 5, so first of all 1 will come. Now here it will like that 1 is equal to then 1 multiply by 1. So fact value will be stored as 1. Now it will run towards 2. So in here fact value is 1. 1 will be multiplied by I, which is here is 2. So now new value of fact will be 2. Now our factorial will run with 3. Here you can see 2 was our previous value, 2 here again, and then it will multiply by 3. Here you can see 6 will be stored. Now it will run to 4. So the 6 is the fact value. It will be multiplied by 4 and the generated value of fact now will be 24. In the last run, since I mentioned 6, it will go till 5. This will be 5. Now 24 is equal to 24 multiplied by 5. Here you can see the answer will be 120. This is the procedure which will be running behind the for loop, and after all that I have given the print, then it will print fact, and the answer you have shown will be 120. So in this video I not only give you how to write the code of generating factorial of one single number, I have also told you how to generate the numbers factorial from 1 to 10, and I also showed the procedure behind the for loop. So this was all from my today's video. Hope you have liked this video and your concept would be clear. I will conclude my video with the same slogan. Please like and share my videos as well, and subscribe my channel Tech Park, and stay tuned for more such concept of Python tutorials. I will be back again with more such videos. There are many much more to come. So this was all from my side. Bye bye. I will meet you in the new video.